After personally encountering the frustrating problem of a dead MacBook and spending countless hours trying various remedies, I finally uncovered several effective approaches to resolve this common issue, and I'm eager to share them with you now. This video provides the ultimate MacBook Pro black screen fix won't turn on 2026, giving you all the tools to get your device back in action. First, we look at power cycling and resetting the system management controller. A power cycle helps clear any temporary electrical confusion, giving your Mac a fresh start. Resetting the SMC is crucial because it controls how your MacBook handles power, its battery, and even the screen's backlight. A glitch here can stop it from turning on, so resetting it is like hitting the main power manager's reset button. Next, we consider resetting the NVRAM or param. This part of your Mac stores vital settings like display resolution and startup disk choices. If these settings become corrupted, they can prevent your computer from booting up correctly. Clearing them out removes any bad instructions that might be confusing the system. Then, checking with an external display helps us figure out if the problem is with your MacBook's screen itself or with the graphics inside. If an external monitor works, we know the issue is specific to the built-in display. Also, booting into safe mode is like starting your Mac with only the most basic parts, which can help pinpoint if other software is causing the black screen. Finally, using Disk Utility in recovery mode is essential. This tool can check and fix hidden errors on your computer's main storage drive. Often, problems with the way your Mac reads its own files can stop it from starting up, and repairing these can bring your device back to life.